case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1994, United States v. Quinn saw an appeal against a conviction of armed bank robbery and using a firearm during a crime of violence in the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit. The defendant, Wayne Quinn, a known suspect in similar robberies and a convicted felon, contended the evidence obtained without a warrant following his arrest should have been inadmissible in court. The case was founded on both the circumstances leading up to Quinn's arrest and the manner of his sentencing. Notably, the police had apprehended Quinn without a warrant at his girlfriend's house, where they had also found his car, mere hours after a bank robbery had occurred. The evidence collected thereafter, which included a gun matching those in surveillance photos and ammunition found in Quinn's vehicle, was used against him in court. Quinn challenged his conviction, yet the lower court maintained that due to probable cause, his arrest was justified, and a warrant was not necessary. In court, additional evidence from another robbery was permitted under Rule 404(b) to strengthen the case against Quinn. This controversial move raised the debate on the borders of admissible evidence. Quinn appealed his conviction in sentencing, but the appeals court upheld the convictions, finding no violation of ex post facto principles in using Application Note 3 for offenses committed before its inclusion in the guidelines. The court found that despite discrepancies in the witnesses' accounts, the combined evidence was enough to tie Quinn directly to the crime. With his previous qualifying felony convictions, including a 1976 conviction for attempted robbery and assault with great bodily harm in California, Quinn was sentenced as a career offender. However, the appeals court did recognize an error in the sentencing with regard to Quinn's second count of using a firearm in a crime of violence. Recognizing the oversight, the court remanded the case for resentencing of this count, reducing it from an originally imposed 60 months to a 240-month sentence. Quinn's convictions were hence affirmed, with the caveat of the adjusted sentence for his second firearm conviction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.